If you need some heating options for either your garage or for like a small space, like I'll show you in a second, whether you have access to propane or whether you have access to electrical or anything like that, we have solutions for you because we do have some HVAC staff with us. So we can take care of heating up whatever project that you may need, whether you need just a little small room to add extra heat, or if you need a big space like a garage or an entire house or an addition. So it is important to have the right stuff, and we do.